Who do the Jets play? They play New England. And what are they famous for out there in New England? They're famous for baked beans. And the Jets are playing, hold up, stop the music, stop the music. The Jets are playing New England. It's week 8, the Jets are 5-2. This is a statement game. Jets, we got to win this one. The madness has got to stop. All right, let me step off my soapbox and let's return you back to regularly scheduled program. Who do the Jets play? They play New England. And what are they famous for out there in New England? They're famous for baked beans. And so today, we're making baked beans. But we're going to put a New York twist on them. That's right, a New York twist. Every day, cooking, Dad, cooking every day. All right, here we go. These are our ingredients. All the measurements will be down below. As you can see, we got ketchup, paprika, salt, pepper, brown sugar, andouille sausage. You guys can see it. So we didn't want to spend a whole 6-7 hours making baked beans. So we just got them out the can. We're going to just drain them off a little bit. So we're going to chop our vegetables. You guys are kind of going to get 2-for-1 video here. So I'm making a barbecue sauce for the baked beans. So that's going to be fresh and original. So we chopped up our vegetables. And now we're going to saute or brown our onions. We're going to add a caramelized, a sweet flavor to this barbecue sauce. So we're going to take these and brown them down. You got to put a little salt and help brown the process. So just go ahead. It's going to take some time. This takes about 15 minutes to get these caramelized. Now, my suggestion is taste an onion now, right, at this point, and then taste them when they get to this. That's when you'll know that it's caramelized. Now, this is not completely brown, but it tastes very sweet. All right, so we're going to go ahead and go in with the rest of our vegetables. We got celery, and then we got our bell pepper. So we just want to soften these up in with a little bit of avocado oil. Just try and sweat these down, get them soft. Pop wasn't cooperating with me, so we went in with some butter and a little bit of more avocado oil. Guys, you gotta adjust as you go. Now, I did turn this pan down. So we're about 3 notches from the bottom. That's our ketchup measurement. So we didn't want to waste it. We're just gonna get that out of there as we add liquid. So we're gonna boil these off a little bit. Give this a stir. Now, guys, we're adding this flavor to the barbecue sauce. So we're not just putting a seasoning in this. And this is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna put in an immersion blender. If you have a regular blender, you can use that. But I don't have a regular blender. It's something for me to buy, but one I want to get is like $300. I can't justify that. All right, we need to add a little bit more liquid. So we're going in with our 1 cup of apple cider vinegar and give this a little bit more of a, crushing, smashing, mixing. Just break this up as much as you can. Get it down to as much of a liquid as you can. And then we're going into with a strainer. We're going to strain this out. And the only thing left should be the pulp. Guys, this was a good investment I made. Got that off of Amazon. I would put the link, but I'm not an Amazon affiliate. But you can find it on there. Go ahead and push out as much of that liquid as we can until we get to this. This is what we have left. We really don't want that stuff in our barbecue sauce. We want a nice, silky, smooth barbecue sauce. All right, let's just give this a taste. See where we're at. Should taste like onions and celery. And it does. All right, so back into our pan with our liquid. Guys, this is a a little bit different way of making barbecue sauce. I'm sharing this secret. And in we go with our seasoning. And in with our ketchup and brown sugar, light brown sugar. Please not, one not, get in there. Get all of that in there. Now we're gonna give this a stir and we're gonna let this heat up. Let it all come together. Probably about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you know, nothing longer than that. Just get that sugar to melt. All right, we're gonna hit it with a little liquid smoke, not too much, just a little. We want just a slight hint, like this was out on the grill. All right, we poured off as much of that liquid from the baked beans as we can. In the past, I've kind of washed them off, so I just had the beans. Why should I work hard at baking beans? You know, it's just beans. Always try to cut corners when you can. All right, let's heat this pan back up, in with a little bit of avocado oil. And we're gonna brown up our andouille sausage. Just try and extract some flavors out of them. You know, layers of flavor. All right, it's been about 7-8 minutes. Got these all nice and browned up. And in with our beans. Guys, this hasn't been complicated yet. It's pretty easy. All right, we got our 2 cans. I probably should have used some bacon, but no, I didn't feel like going back out to the store. But the andouille sausage is enough flavor on its own. And when we go in with some brown mustard, I almost forgot. Didn't pull it out in the beginning, so you didn't see it, but in with I'd say that's about 2 tablespoons, tablespoon and a half of mustard. Give this a stir. Our pot is hot, it's heating up. The beans are starting to heat up. And then it hit me. Hey, you know, as you're cooking, things pop up in your head. You know, your soul starts speaking to you. Honey. We're gonna go in with some honey. I'd say that's probably about a 1/4 cup. We're gonna give this a nice stir and let this heat up. Let all these flavors come together. And we went about 5 minutes. Give this a quick taste. See where we're at. You know, taste as you go. It's important. Don't think you can just cook without tasting. All right, in with some more honey. Probably another 1/4 cup or so. All right, and back to tasting as you go. You gotta let the pot kind of come together a little bit and then taste. So if you add salt, wait a few minutes, then taste. So now we're going in with the barbecue sauce. And guys, you've got to learn how to taste before and after. What it tastes like before you put something in and what it tastes like after you put something in. And once you get that muscle memory, boom, you're off and running. All right, in the oven, 375 for 30 minutes. And boom, through the magic of editing, there we go. We got Boston baked beans done in New Jersey. And there they go, guys. It's smelling really good. It's looking good. We gotta plate this up or bowl this up. Guys, I can't wait to get into this. You guys gotta try this recipe. Here's our little flyover. You know, the sausages are nice and brown. They released all their flavors into the thing. I always gotta have a little extra mustard. I don't know about you, but mustard is a must. All right, let's give this a little mix. And let's give this a taste. Make sure you get a piece of that sausage. No. Yeah, Oh, that's looking good. Yeah. All right, guys, this is good. Hit me up with a like. Is this a side dish? Or is this a meal? I don't know. But guys, I know it's good. I know it's really good. You know what? Drop that spoon on them, just like we're going to drop a win on the Patriots. Every day, cooking, Dad. Cooking every day.